We're gonna be getting some plugs ready here now to back roll this slot. Well, the guys are out here casting a few bobbers. I told them I'd come in and get a few mag lips ready. So the first thing that you want to do when you're getting your plugs ready for coastal fall Chinook, or in this case chum, is you want to get them clean. So what I'm gonna do here is grab some of this soap and we're gonna put it on the back just like, and just give it a good rinse. Make sure everything's all clean. Okay, quick. Wash it off in the river. Now the next thing that we want to do is look at the pull points, and the pull points are right here up front on the bill and here on the back. Make sure that they're perfectly in line. You can also look at the belly and make sure that's perfectly in line too. Now these mag lips are pre-tuned. You really don't need to do much to them, and this one here is looking good right now. Because we are focusing in on catch and release, even though there are Chinook out here and we're allowed to use barbs, I'm still going to take my pliers here and pinch down these barbs. Today's just about finding some new techniques, having some fun, chasing after these chum. The two colors we're going to start out with here are Dr. Death, which should be a really good color for chum, and the other one, this guy right here, is called Cream Puff. And that's a great one for Chinook, especially on dark days like today. These chum, they just really seem to like anything with some cerise or black or purple. So this Dr. Death color should work fairly well too. I have a couple different flavors of fish nip here. One of them is very fish flavored. It's a lot of sardine, a lot of oil, tuna, bloody tuna. And the next one here is very shrimp krill, which is what these chum actually do like, is more of that shrimp flavor. So there are some raw prawns in here, put some krill powder. And for this bigger plug, I'm gonna start out with a fishy sardine, bloody tuna. What's nice about this stuff is that you can form it to any size plug, and you really don't need that much. So a little bit goes a long ways. You wanna make sure it's centered in the middle of the plug. You put it too far back, you're gonna kill the action. Too far forward, the plug can't dive. Now we're gonna grab our ghost thread and just wrap the fish nip onto the plug. Make sure it stays centered. There we go, looking good. A couple of half hitches to finish it up. Break it off, and we're good to go.